Hi, I'm Jessie from Streetwear Inc. and we supply pre-exposed screens for screen printing. Here are 4 different techniques showing how you can use our pre-exposed screens. The freestyler, the creator, the startup, the professional. The freestyler, for people who just want to have fun. The creator, for simple printing on a budget. The startup, for a semi-professional learning the ropes. The professional method is for studios and skilled printers. We sell screens with your image already exposed, so you can spend more time printing your way. So let's smash this job together.